Hey, what is up everybody? Hey, I was talking to Nick from RBL Products the other week. If you're not familiar with RBL, go to rblproducts.com and check all the stuff they have available. But anyway, Nick was asking me if I would do a video on their new RBL Tacky Netting. So I said, absolutely. Just, send it out to me and we'll do an installation video. So, sure enough, this shows up on my doorstep. So I guess we're doing a video. What's up everybody? Told you we'd do an installation video, and here we're at my friend's shop. Fortunately, he's already painted his booth walls, so we're going to show you the tacky netting as just another layer of insurance as far as keeping the booth walls clean and also keeping all that lint, bugs, overspray off the car. So I've already pulled it through because there's a little slot here where you can actually pull the netting through. And I have my buddy Eric is gonna help me pull it along and show you how easy this is to put up. You ready? So like I said, it's held up by magnets, so it's gonna give you about an inch or so off the wall, off the booth wall. So you're gonna have that little area where if overspray does get inside the backside, it's not gonna come back through. So you have that little area. Simple enough as just pulling it. And like I said, it's got perforations on the top. So you just go along little areas. I'm just gonna attach them like so. After you get the first couple going, the rest is super easy. Just go along the top, pull them through the holes. The last one, move to the side. And you're gonna get enough magnets to do the whole job. So once you have the top secured, you'll just take the bottom magnets and throw them through the perforations. Kind of pull it taut a little bit. And that's it. As you can see, there is well, you can't really see, but take my word for it. There's a lot of tack to this product. If you have a booth where you actually have a bake cycle, each bake cycle is gonna kind of retactify that netting. So if you have any bugs, lint, like I said, overspray, it's gonna stick to this. If it happens to get behind it, it's not gonna come back through. So it was easy as that. So we'll finish up this booth and we'll give you a little picture at the end of what it actually looks like a full booth install. As you can see, that took no time at all. You saw us install this side, so we went ahead and just finished it up and got the other three sides. But I wanted to talk a couple things about the netting. As you can see, it's white in color, so if you have a dingy booth, there's really no need to paint it. You can apply the netting to the wall, and it's gonna give you a little more vibrance. As far as the size of the netting, it's 72 inches high by 160 feet long. So you're gonna have plenty of netting to do your booth at least a couple times, depending on the size. And also it's made out of a fire-resistant monofilament nylon and has a tactifier on it. So that's what's gonna give you that tacky effect to eliminate the lint, the bugs, the overspray that's floating in the air. But just want to thank you guys for watching. Do me a favor, if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button and give me a like as well. Most of all, hit that notification bell. That way you'll be alerted of new videos that are coming out. So other than that, guys, thanks for watching.